Good morning, my lovely students. I really miss you so much. Hope we can meet together soon, inshallah. Let's continue what we have covered yesterday about exercises and more examples about law of integers. I hope you're writing down with me the steps, because here I cannot be able to write the steps of each and every problem. So I hope you have a piece of paper and write down all the steps I'm saying in order to be able to solve them again for more practice for you. You have the answers and you can solve them again. Let's start with the first question. The answer says simplify 2m power 2 all to the power of negative 1 over m power of 2. So here I will distribute the negative 1 over the bracket in the numerator. Yani it means 2 power negative 1 because 2 power 1 times negative 1, it is negative 1. 2 power negative 1, m power of 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So 2 power negative 1 m power negative 2 over m power of 2. So here I have m power negative 2 over m power of 2, same base, so I will just subtract. In the division I have to subtract the powers. Negative 2 plus negative 2, same sign, so I will add and put the sign. Yani it means 2 power negative 1 over m power negative 4. So as I said before, and I will keep saying, I cannot leave a negative integer as it is. I have to write the reciprocal of this negative integer. So yani I'm saying 2 power negative 1 m power negative 4. I cannot leave it like this, so I will rewrite it with its reciprocal, 1 over 2m power 4. So the answer will be 1 over 2m to the power of 4, right? Okay. Let's go for the next problem. 2x to the power of 3 over x to the power of negative 1 all to the power of 3. So the numerator, it doesn't have any problem, it's already done. So I have to open this bracket, I have to expand the power in the denominator. So the answer will be 2x to the power of 3 over x to the power of negative 3. Yani it means 2x power 3 over 2x power negative 3. X power 3 over x power negative 3. Now I have to add subtract the powers, because in division having the same base I have to subtract the power. X power 3 over x power negative 3. So the answer will be, or I have to subtract the powers, it will be 2x power 3 minus 3, yani minus negative 3 minus negative, or minus minus, it will be positive, as if I'm saying 2x power 3 plus 3. Yani the answer will be 2x to the power of 6. 2x power of 6. Okay. The third one is very easy. We said that anything to the power of 0, the answer is 1. So this is the easiest one we can do. Anything inside the bracket to the power of 0 equals to 1. So this problem is very easy. The number 14, x to the power of 4 y to the power of 3 times 2y power 2 all power of 0. As we said, anything to the power of 0 is 1, as if I am saying x to the power of 4 y to the power of 3 times 1 equals to what? It will give me the same answer. So the answer will be x to the power of 4 y to the power of 3. Yeah, the answer is the same, x power of 4 y power of 3, because here this bracket is all raised by 0 power, so the answer will be 1. Okay, I believe this is also easy. Let's go for number 15. ba power 4 times 2ba power 4 all to the power of negative 3. ba power 4, this one is doesn't have anything to be done with it, but this bracket I have to expand this power over all what's inside the bracket. So here I will expand 2 power of 1 times negative 3. 2 power 1 times negative 3 will give me 2 power negative 3. okay. طيب b power 1 times negative 3 يعني b times negative 3 power negative 3. a power 4 times negative 3 it will give me a power negative 12, right? يعني here b a power 4 times 2 power negative 3 b power negative 3 a power negative 12. Now let's collect the like terms together, or the same base together. b here, b power 1 times b power negative 3. b power 1 times b power negative 3. يعني I have the same base, I will just add the powers. 1 plus negative 3, do they have the same sign or different signs? They have different signs, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. b power 1 plus b power negative 3, يعني 1 plus negative 3, it gives me b power negative 2, right? b power negative 2. Type here a power 4 times a power negative 12. So I will add the powers. 4 plus negative 12. 4 plus negative 12, same sign or different signs? لا, they have different signs, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So the answer will be 4 minus 12 will give me negative 8. يعني the answer should be b power negative 2, a power negative, don't forget the 2 power negative 3, 2 power negative 3, b power negative 2, a power negative 8. Again, 2 power negative 3, b power negative 2, a power negative 8. As I said before, I cannot leave a negative power, I have to write the reciprocal. So the answer will be 1 over 2 power 3, b power 2, a power 8. Again, the answer will be 1 over 2 power 3, because it was 2 power negative 3, I will write its reciprocal, يعني هتبقى 1 over 2 power 3, because I have to write it in a positive power, right? b, we said that b power negative 2, so I will put it down, يعني 1 over 2 power 3, b power 2, a power 8. Clear? Okay, let's go for number 16. 2x power 0 y power 2 all to the power of negative 3 times 2yx power 3. Okay, here let's expand and distribute this power over the bracket. يعني it means 2 power 1 times negative 3, 2 power negative 3, x power 0 is 1, so خلاص. يعني I will not write it again because it's 1. يعني it means 2 power negative 3 y power negative 6. يعني again the x power 0 is 1, so خلاص I will not write it again. So it means 2 power negative 3 y power negative 6 times 2y x power 3 times 2y x power 3. So now I have 2 power negative 3 times 2 power 1. In multiplying same base, I will add the powers. Okay, negative 3 plus 1, same sign or different signs? لا, they have different signs, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So the answer will be 2 power negative 2. 2 power negative 2. What about y? Y power negative 6, negative 6 plus 1, negative 6 plus 1. Same sign or different signs? لا, they have different signs, so I will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. Negative 6 plus 1 gives me negative 5. X to the power of 3 as it is, because it doesn't have anything here same variable in the first bracket. So the answer is 2 power negative 2 y power negative 5 x power 3. Yes, I cannot leave a negative integer or a negative exponent. So what's here positive? The only thing which is positive in this problem, x to the power of 3. So I will keep it as it is in the numerator, x to the power of 3 over 2 to the power of 2 y to the power of 5, because they have negative power, so I have to put them in the denominator, or I have to write the reciprocal. So the answer again will be x power of 3 over 2 power 2 y power 5. I hope we will finish our session till here. I hope you understood all the problems. Inshallah, we'll resume tomorrow. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me. I hope you can redo these exercises again by yourself, so you can be able to practice more until we can find a solution for sending you homeworks or something like this, worksheets. So that's why I'm attaching many worksheets as much as I can here, and I'm solving them. We are solving them together here. Then I hope you can resolve them again by yourself, and if you have any problem with any of the questions, please feel free to ask me, or so we can be able to do it again. Okay, inshallah, we will resume our session tomorrow. We will complete this the rest of exercises tomorrow, inshallah. Have a good day and take care of yourself. Bye.